Siafo. Mwa. Mu behwe mo ye campaign maba o mi ewini no. Mu focus no wo Kwame A+. Hey, me nipo ku ma Suale o. Me do nyame. Hey, mu hwe mu ye mo campaign.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale.
Mewasem Debbie Mao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Frey. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Abemwewi onyame bose no abemwewi ebusia social media so I fire I bomb fete ni nyina ye Kwame A+ at this time around or the expose ni nyina ba out Kwame A+ etumi a kire ni okun Ahmed Suale na afrena ensure atap nchene ojewo best of the mo subscribe my page ni mi adoma no so sena me upload bian so na unsa betimaka ebusia Kwame A+ a musician na or the sa career na to one man you see ade or a politician all standing for Gomua Central Akunya no na as a matter of fact Kwame A+ in him say he's a very tough guy, popular and also very intelligent guy. Now Kwame A+ this time around what decided say obe kasafa and same you Ghana for enka wan say all because of say MPP nkofobi our find no it is anka say omo find na anka de obekin anka onka Kwame A+ HSA MPP for as a matter of fact campaign omo ya no omo focus on campaign so no mo say omo ye campaign yi now omo here the supporter if they have the right way or if they can come to the right way he's ever ready to help them now as a matter of fact na po anybody now this time around Kwame A+ ebufu yi pa no say ni okum Ahmed Suale odonyame se oni nipa ko
Siafo. Mwa. Mu behwe mo ye campaign maba o mi ewini no. Mu focus no wo Kwame A+. Hey, me nipo ku Ahmed Suale o. Me do nyame. Hey, mu hwe mu ye mo campaign. Me do nyame. Nyankopo me come mama wo mo wiase. Nka every week mo press conference. Focus on your campaign. My best friend, one of my best friends in this country that nobody knows is Napo. Listen carefully. One of my best friends that nobody knows in this country, Napo. One of my best friends in this country that nobody knows. One of the people that I respect. One of the people that we chat. We never have done public. I've never gone to his house. One of my best is Napo. When we program on Sunday, Napo told me that your program Kumasi no waba. Me and Napo we are on a different level. Napo senka me yelba and come the secret side check. And so I want the best for him. But me menso song was yasem so. Munteni ye. When MPP communication, I said one spend a lot of time. When I asked Dr. Baumi, and I told him that I will bring A+ on the campaign. Go and ask him. We asked whether I will do it or not. No, it's a different matter altogether. But don't try me. I said me nipa okun Ahmed Suale. I know the person who allegedly killed Ahmed Suale. And focus on your campaign. If you like, call police. Go and call A+. I will go and write a statement and we'll make it public. Can't you just focus and do your government and me start some year campaign maybe so busy with Ska. Come plus your guy man. Me more there because I know how to do my things. I will fight with you, and the people who are going to vote for me, they know that this guy is the fighter. This guy will fight for us. This guy will make sure that this guy is the guy that we are looking. Is the guy that we are looking for. They know that this guy we are looking for Obi Awabodam, somebody who is not unconventional person. They know down there nobody can beat me in that election. And if you like, come and do your things. You go a bit over more. We are part one. Men find show team no be ourselves standing MP no crofo no omo botai omo ye omo na minia no omo anya hwe am te se omo pebodan for te se America for Donald Trump no we are asena The people are looking for somebody with a different mindset. They're looking for somebody who thinks in a certain way. The people have seen a different person. So me, I'm not scared, and me, I will not change. And the reason why I will be about social media, Kwame, my sponsor or campaign, I'm thinking differently. It's a man find show with him. My name, Muda. Say, mo best spend more time. Hey, me manum K.I.L.L.E.R ne whole Ghana anum K.I.L.L.E.R. Who my make my yafi. Mumfrade on, focus. Your campaign manager is who? Opariansa. Go and ask him. I didn't say somebody. Kwame, we have to sit down and talk. Your umpeni for na green. What if one mu Jimmy? Me no me no we will be ase ahon he. Me no me no we will be ase me no be problem forever and ever. No we will be ase me no be problem forever. Opa didi matem. Opa and family who me I don't care. Me.
Video we are Kwame A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D ye. Who share comment in a bar na man for being aje. Ebin Soja say, how can a man be so bold and so proud and be so loud about a mystery and answer about a hidden truth for years now? Abiding to me who ye IGP into maintain in the police for Enkofane. I'm for just say, I was say IGP to me invite Kwame A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D any minimia non fasa video munchire mumbra say so nimdo kum ame Suale dia and yombeka because for some time now man for ebo honorable compre kon Canada Japan din say e Canada Japan and a threatening ame Suale dini video ebe to abonti man we ase nyine hu say ame Suale no ni na ono no ne anasa reme ya eyeduma a wo kire say obi ehu na ombono from that time eni ehu say yakobo ame Suale too it no be enim say honorable Canada Japan and ensure say yibekum ame Suale but Canada Japan ababonti abekire say he doesn't know the killer and he is not part of the people who killed A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D but now Kwame A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D ababonti or they say sinable cantam say he knows the killer of A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D. Who is the killer of A.R.R.E.S.T.E.D? Ebushafonia bre social media for busa questions. Ebushia messages also do adwen chirebe to abontin. Say we just for trend because Ghana the him say obi per trender. This how they go. They come out there, they do like they are confessing. They confess their secret sins. After confessing their secret sins, they say now we are telling the truth. That is what Ghanaians like. A+ Ababontia or just say he knows the truth. You know, Marvel say, oh, he's a credible guy. When we vote for him, he can say the truth. No, this is not a sign of a leader. This is a sign I was an IGP. A walking after no bringing all these people to book. Never Ghana fan to my infra. Ebusa way a comment a bit in the babonti message. I also do adventure about top point. Nothing. Subscribe my page when me I don't man so. Send me upload so I will say bit macra.